Hello, this is the world talking to you about the cosine of h minus 1 all over h. And we want to see if we can figure out how this can turn into something helpful. So we're going to multiply by 1 in the form of cosine h plus 1 over cosine h plus 1. And hopefully this is recording. So if I multiply this together, I'm going to get the limit as h approaches 0. Cosine h times cosine h is cosine h squared minus 1 all over h times cosine h plus 1. All right? Now, if I have this, boy, I don't see any sine h over h. Do you see anything like that? Wouldn't it be great if we could turn this in the numerator into sine? This is the same as a negative 1 minus cosine squared h. That's what that is. And what is 1 minus cosine squared? Sine squared. So it's the limit as h approaches 0, negative sine h times sine h. I'm going to write it twice because it's squared, over h cosine h plus 1. So now, once you know that, we should be able to do something about sine h over h as h goes to 0. What's that equal to? 1. So now we have the limit, h approaches 0, of negative sine of 0 over cosine of 0 plus 1. And that's just going to be negative 0, which is just 0, over 1 plus 1. And what's 0 over 2? 0. So that is the limit. And that's going to be used when we take the derivative of sine and the derivative of cosine. A super hugely important limit. Just as important as the sine of x over x as x goes to 0. This one, too, is important. But it's equal to 0 where this was equal to 1.